Hello, my name is David Akami. I want to read the text in my book document. It's about man's best friend. Why are dogs often called man's best friend? Probably because dogs have many of the qualities we want in our human companion. They are loyal, friendly, never argue, and are always glad to see you. This is one reason why we have a dog and other pets. Sometimes we might even prefer the company of animals to that of fellow humans beings. Pets provide us with many other benefits as well. Studies have shown that having a pet nearby lowers the blood pressure of of elderly people and rest their spirits. On study in Britain showed that people with better recovered more quickly from heart attack than those who did not have a pet. The study also found that pet owners suffered from fewer common ailments just as such as cold, a dish, and fever than people who don't own pets. Pets help children to learn responsibility. By learning to take care of their pets, children learn how to take care of themselves and other people. Walking dog each day give children regular exercise. Pets can also help keep you safe. Dogs, for example, go out our home and scare away the gas, the grass. Key dog help mean people see when they need to go outside. Cat catch mice and rat in house. There are a few observations of helping behavior in non-humans animals. Life in the animal kingdom is tough, but every now and then a story emerges about animals helping each other and humans, and it seems obvious that animals do in fact have artistic tendencies. Pets teach use compassion. They give you the chance to show our love to other living creatures. If we can love our pet, it becomes easier to love each other, and that might be the most important benefit of all. Bye, class.